Hey guys, it's Greg again. I wanted to go over Monero coin. I know you guys hear me talking a lot about XMR and stuff like that. The reason I'm in it and I think it's a good short is because XMR, if you look at it, you see how high it still is on the RSI, and let me get rid of that, and how high it is right here. Okay, so I think it has a lot more to go. You're right not going to make I mean, you're going to make as much gains in this coin as you are in Bitcoin. Okay. So Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin, you're going to short Bitcoin from, let's say you got in at 41 and it goes down to, let's say Bitcoin goes all the way down to 30. You got 27%. And then, if you got into XMR, let's say you got in late at 240 and then it comes down to here, you're looking at 45, 46% right there on that move. And the other thing is too that I wanted to show you guys here on the MACD. You see how high the MACD is? The MACD is just crossing bearish again. So it's going down. There's more evidence it's going to be going down. And the last time the MACD was this high was when, it was 331 and it came all the way down to 131. So it went down basically 60%. And I expect this coin to test these lows and possibly even break them. So you might even see a 50% drop in this coin, in my opinion. I just think as far as shorts are concerned, whether you're going to be in it, for the long term, like buying it right now at 255 and you just want to write it down, it's probably, in my opinion, just almost as safe as Bitcoin. This coin is not in a bullish count. This is a your typical A, B, C, and it's going to correct this wave. It just so happened that I found this coin. I can't remember how I ran across this coin. I don't even know anything about this coin. All I know, I think it's a privacy coin. I haven't looked it up on CoinGecko. I haven't looked it up on that other place, any of those other sites or anything like that. All I know, according to the technicals, this coin is going down. And it's going to have some bounces along the way, whether you just want to get in there and not have to worry about, oh, I want to get in out on bounces. I'm getting tired, a little bit tired of it too, because I'm writing it down, I'm exiting, and then I got to find where the next top is. So this time I just said, you know what? I left a little bit in. I said, forget it. I'll just, if it goes up, I'll write it. And then I know it's going to go back down. So it does get frustrating after a while, and you're trying to, get in on the top and exit out on the bottom. That's a different story. I digress. Sorry about that, guys. So that's why I just think, if you take a look, ApeCoin is another one, but ApeCoin's a little too bullish for my taste right now. I was in it, I got out in profits, and I was just happy that, okay, I'm out in profits, good. I think I got out at $16.80 or something like that. So I was cool. I was like, all right, good. I shorted a bullish coin and I won. So I didn't lose because that thing was way up there. And I was wondering, oh geez, I'm gonna get wicked out by this coin. But if you look at the other coins, so let's take a look at Solana. Let's say you wanted to short Solana. I mean, look where Solana is on the RSI, and Solana is already out of its run up like XMR. Solana has already gone from 135 down to 98. It's already dropped 32%. Look at XMR. It has hardly even dropped. What's another example? Near Protocol. Near Protocol is not. I wouldn't short that coin. Just another example is like, let's just take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, here it is at its top is 35.37. Ethereum's already gone down 20% almost. And look where it is on the daily on the RSI. So there's probably a point where it's maybe going to go down a little bit more, and then there's going to be a bounce for Ethereum and Bitcoin, which will be a bounce for this coin. Maybe it'll go up to You know, I'm hoping 260 at least, maybe even 270 or something like that. Who knows? But there's so many other coins that, like, another example is somebody was asking about Sandbox and doing a short. You know, Sandbox is just, it's exhausted. There's not really, I showed it in an earlier video, there's just not much of a short there. But the other thing is too, I think with XMR, is that if you go to the hour, let's go to the hour, and I have this, I'm going to show you what's going on with it. Is right here, it did, you can see there's divergence, so it's correcting this wave right now to the upside, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so then it has another one here. Okay, another wave 1 2, and then that's the third wave, and then 4 5. Technically it's almost there, so who knows how far up this is going to go. Let's say it goes up like that, and it's got another fifth wave push down from, say, 256 down to 237. But I think that this coin is going to do this. It's going to be a 1 and then back up for 2, and I would exit out of there and get up on this 2, down for 3 4 5, like that. And let's say this wave 2, let's say it goes to 238, and this wave 2 goes, let's say, back up to 260, just something like that, you know. And our target on this coin would be, you know, something like, you know, 192. So I think that there's a possibility. It can't be doing an ABC type move, except, you know, maybe this wave, and then up for B, and then down for C to correct it, like that. So let's go back out to the let's say the 12 hour. You know, if it goes down on a wave that size, then it can correct it, and then you would maybe have like this is the A, and then up for a B, and then down for the C. You see how that would fit a little bit more? And that would make more sense, because it looks like this is a W, X, and then a Y. So I just don't think that with this coin, if you're back in here, I just don't think this wave is going to be enough. You know, like if that's it. So if this is it, let's say A, back up for a B, and then down for a C. And then you go out to the, let's say, 12 hour, you know, that's not enough of a correction. It's not, you know, it's only down to 207 right now, basically, or maybe 200. And it needs to get down there, because if this is this count, here's your ABC, this is a W, and then it's up for an X. The Y is going to more than likely break that W. So who knows where the target could be on this coin? It could be, you know, my target right now is 130, but it could be like 101 possibly, or even something like that. And let's go out to the daily. You know, has it corrected this? If it's right there, you know, it did wick down to there. I'll probably hold those support levels. I got a line right there at 125, and then that other one at 130. So let's go to retrace this whole wave. You know, it's 786. So yeah, I mean, it's deep enough off of log. Yeah, so it's deep enough. You know, I just think it's going to come back down to those areas. So anyhow, I want to explain that too, what I thought was going on, my thoughts on XMR and Monero, what my long-term strategy is with it, and you know, what I'm going to do with the coin on the way down. So, you know, and then after this fifth wave, this big fifth wave comes, the big fourth, and then the bigger fifth, you know, you want to exit out there and then get in on that bounce, whether this is a 1-2 or an ABC, or go long and ride that B wave up. Thanks, guys. Peace.